Are angels attempting to reach out to you? Have you ever thought about it? When angels come to Earth, many think they leave behind messages or clues to help us navigate life's challenges. Here are 7 telltale signals that an angel may be on their way. Stick around if you can relate to any of them. 1. Unexpected locations for feathers. Imagine walking or cleaning and seeing a feather, especially a white one, where it shouldn't be. You could find it on a crowded sidewalk, beneath your car seat, or even on your kitchen counter. There may be more to this seemingly insignificant feather than meets the eye. A lot of people think it's a sign from above that you're not alone. The message they're trying to convey is, we're here, watching over you. Because of their pristine and delicate look, white feathers can represent love, peace, and optimism. In times of need, have you ever stumbled upon a feather that served as a tiny boost? If so, it might have been a sign from your guardian angel to uplift your spirits. 2. Grasping your hearing. Have you ever been startled by an earring that sounded quite high and didn't go away? Some have speculated that this could be an angel trying to capture your attention, a notion that may seem strange to you. This strange noise can be a sign that you need to listen more closely to your intuition or your environment. Imagine it as a personalized, exquisite ringtone. It's a cosmic signal telling you to pay attention to your innermost desires. Is this anything you've ever felt and pondered? Perhaps the next time it occurs, you should take a moment to reflect on your thoughts. You could find a hidden meaning. 3. Light bursts or UFO. Have you ever been surprised by a glimmer in the dark or noticed mysterious spots on photographs? It's easy to write these off as optical illusions or camera mistakes. Yet for many people, they represent the presence of angels. Little lights or spheres like this might be signs that someone is keeping an eye on you. In doing so, they elevate seemingly mundane situations to a mystical plane, as if the cosmos were trying to tell you that you're never really alone. Envision yourself snapping a stunning sunset photo and then seeing a bright ball in the frame. Consider it a visit from the angels rather than something to be ignored. They want you to know that they are always with you, even when you can't see us. 4. An unexpected heat wave. Have you ever experienced an unexpected, inexplicable feeling of warmth that envelops you like a comforting blanket? Some see this as a loving embrace from above, like that of an angel. Imagine being in the midst of a difficult time, when suddenly a comfortable warmth comes enveloping you. It's like the angels are enveloping you in their protective wings, assuring you that everything will be well. A sensation that whispers, you are safe and you are loved, rather than a heater or a sunny area, is the source of this warmth. When you feel this coming on, just close your eyes, breathe deeply, and picture all the love in the world. Discovering coins. Discovering a coin on the floor may seem like pure chance, but what if there's more to it than that? Some people think that finding a coin in an unexpected spot is a sign from above. You could find a dime on a deserted street, a penny on the doorstep, or even a quarter stashed in the pocket of an old coat. It is believed that these coins contain messages of encouragement and solidarity. The significance of the coin can be amplified if it has a particular date or number. It's a cosmic gift that keeps you grounded in your righteous course, even when the going gets difficult. Ever come upon a coin that brought a grin to your face or brought back a memory of a loved one? Perhaps it wasn't a mere coincidence after all. 6. Feeling someone's presence. Have you ever had the sensation of having company even while you were by yourself? Perhaps you have experienced the peace of having someone gently tap you on the shoulder or hover close by. When you feel this way, it's sometimes said to be a sign that an angel is there to help you through a difficult time. It's like being encased in a cozy bubble. It may calm you down and make you feel at ease. In times of difficulty, this presence may seem to gently remind you that you are never really alone. Have you ever had an unseen sense of peace and wondered whether an angel was watching over you? 7. Dream meaning or intuitive feelings. Dreams are more than simply fleeting ideas. They may be messages from our guardian angels. It is be that your angels were trying to tell you something in a dream that was very significant or intense. You may find solace, solutions to issues, or tranquility in these dreams. In the quiet of your slumber, You carry on a clandestine dialogue with the cosmos. Is there a deeper significance to your dreams? Is it anything you've ever experienced? Perhaps your guardian angels are trying to tell you something important by guiding you in the stillness of your thoughts when you're least likely to be distracted. Final thoughts. Please like and subscribe if you have found this video interesting, if any of the indicators mentioned here apply to you. Have you ever sensed the presence of an angel? If so, we would love to hear your story. Post your opinions in the comments section. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I want you to know that you are never alone in this. Until our next video, take care.